Hey guys, welcome back to Control Room. This is Marston. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to move an image in Davinci Resolve. So let's do it. Right here on the timeline, I have an image of an egg, this layer with an egg, and there's also a background image with a gradient. So let me just highlight the layer with an egg. Right, we want to move this egg maybe from the top of the viewer to the center, right? So to do that, the first thing obviously is to identify when we want to start moving the egg. In my case, let me just play, let's say for instance, I want to start right here. This is where I want to start. So I'll move the cursor to this point and come here under position and make sure that I click on this diamond, this diamond object here, which will turn orange. And when it does that, I want to come here where it says Y. Now, Y is when you're moving up and down, and X is when you're moving left and right. Now, in my case, let me just double click that. If you double click position, it will reset to the first position you were. All right, now I want to use the Y. I just want it to go off frame, so I'm just going to click in the box and drag up until the egg is out of frame. So if I come here and click on this diamond thing, this is for keyframes, I can see that here a keyframe has already been created for the start of the movement, right? And now let me just play back. Maybe I want the egg to be on the center at this point right here. So I'm going to go back without clicking on the diamond again. I'm just going to click and drag to the left until it gets to the position which I want. Right, now let me just play it back. Just drag the playhead and play it back. As you can see, the egg is moving. Now if you want to speed things up, you can just drag this, the second keyframe closer to the first, and the egg will be faster. If you want to make it slower, you can just click and drag it so that it also takes its time to move to the center. So that is how you move an image in Davinci Resolve. Now if you come here under the inspector settings, you can also change a whole lot of stuff, like even the rotation angle. Maybe you might want to rotate the egg whilst it's falling down. You can just click and drag maybe to the angle that you require. If you come and play it back, obviously the egg will be falling down in a rotated state. So you can play around with these settings. Otherwise, that is how you move an image in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you in the next video.